In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the image tool on TradingView. Whether you're an experienced trader looking to enhance your charts or someone new to the platform, these tips will help you seamlessly integrate images into your trading toolkit. Let's start by activating the tool. On the left-hand side of your chart, you'll see a handy toolbar. Here you will find the image tool, which allows you to incorporate various images into your chart. This could be a screenshot of a recent trading pattern, a logo of your trading group, or any other picture you find useful. Once you've selected the image tool, the next step is to choose the image you wish to add. Make sure you've decided on the image beforehand so there's no delay or disruption in your workflow. With your image ready, you can click on the chart to place it. This placement isn't permanent, so feel free to drag it around until it's in the position that works best for you. Moving on to another method, if you prefer drag and drop or pasting directly from your clipboard, ensure your image or logo file is ready. This could be a file on your desktop or a screenshot you've just captured. Simply drag this image from your computer and drop it right onto your TradingView chart. Alternatively, if copying and pasting is more your style, copy your desired image and then paste it onto the chart using Ctrl+V for Windows or CMD+V for Mac. Both methods are quick and convenient, giving you flexibility depending on how you prefer to work. Finally, let's talk about adding a personal touch to your TradingView profile with your avatar. To do this, you'll need to navigate to your profile settings. Start by clicking on your profile icon, which is conveniently located at the top of your TradingView screen. From the drop-down menu, select Profile Settings. Once you're in this section, scroll down until you find the Avatar section. Here, you can upload your chosen photo to serve as your profile image on the platform. This small, personal touch can make your profile stand out and help others recognize you more easily. With these simple instructions, you're well on your way to making the most of TradingView's features. By integrating images into your charts, you can highlight critical details or personalize your trading environment, making your charts not only functional, but also uniquely yours. Whether it's using images for a strategic advantage or simply adding a personal flair, these techniques provide you with the tools to tailor your experience to suit your needs. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.